Now I'm gonna set up some cameras and call Cassie and have her get out here. Can't tell if she's mad or thinks it's funny. What is up, everybody? Hope you're doing well. As you saw in a recent video, Cassie has way too much office supplies, including Post-it notes. So I'm gonna try the Post-it note car prank here in a little bit, so make sure you keep watching to see her reaction, and we'll be doing a crazy giveaway. But first, I just got to the gym, and I'm gonna do something that I have not done on this channel in a long time. So there you go, first juggling practice in a while. It went okay. I'm definitely dusting off some rust, but let me know if you guys want to see more juggling on this channel. I don't want it to become a juggling channel, but I do want to make sure people know that I'm a juggler, because that's how all this started. I'm going to do a poll up top. Specifically, I want to know if you guys want to see another episode of Will It Juggle, where I try to juggle crazy things. Oh. So let me know up top. Now it is time for the sticky note prank. Every Sunday is pretty similar in the Horton household. We get back from church, Cassie falls asleep for a nap, and I go to the gym. I went to the gym a little quicker than usual, so I'm gonna try to sneak in, get the sticky notes, and then put them all over her car before she realizes. So here we go. Are you serious? Loudest door in the world. Okay, let's do this. All right guys, here's Cassie's car, about to get started. Super nervous, but I think it's gonna be awesome. All right, here it is, the very first sticky note. Guys, this is going to take forever. All right guys, one whole side of the car is complete. Kept it basic, just did one color for now, but I think I'm gonna get more creative with the rest, but it is so hot outside. I am pouring with sweat, so I need to get this done quick. Alright guys, one full side and the whole front with a pretty cool little design is done. Now we just need this other side. And I was thinking, to make it, sorry I'm sweating, it's filthy hot out here. To make it more interesting for you guys, I want to do a giveaway, okay? So someone that gives this video a thumbs up and comments and leaves their guess for how many sticky notes I use to cover up the entire car, the person that guesses the closest will win a huge giveaway from my store, jugglingwarehouse.com. It'll be juggling stuff, it'll be some different kinds of toys, so it'll be really, really awesome. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment with your guess of how many sticky notes I use total to cover up the car. So make sure you keep watching and we'll do a full circle of the cars to give you guys a little bit of help, but good luck. Getting close, but I just got a text from Cassie asking where I am. I gotta hurry up. All right, guys. It's not perfect, but it's pretty freaking good. I'm tired, I'm sweaty, and Cassie just texted me asking where I am, so I gotta finish up. We've got this side, really well done, but all one color. The hood, sweet little design on it, half blue, half orange, with the design in the middle. And this side added a little bit of like a pink wave to it. So there you go, I didn't do the back. So here's your last look for guesses to win the contest. Now I'm gonna set up some cameras and call Cassie and have her get out here. I don't know if she's gonna be angry or she's gonna start laughing or what's gonna happen, but we're about to find out.
A few moments later.
All right, I set up a couple cameras. I'm about to text Cassie and tell her I need help with groceries. Okay. Gonna wait for her to open the garage and then I'm gonna just drive through.
Are you kidding me?
Do you like it?
What the heck? Are those my Post-its?
No, I bought new ones. Yeah, hers. Do you like it?
You turned my car into an art project.
Can't tell if she's mad or thinks it's funny.
You're a mess. You're goofy.
Once again, welcome to YouTube.
I guess. Ow!
Yeah, it's hot out here.
Ow!
It is very hot out here, and I've been out here for freaking 2 hours putting Post-it notes on here.
That's commitment. I guess that's what I get for taking a nap.
So you like this design?
I love it. I love it.
And then the pink wave.
I like it. It really is an art project.
Yep.
You didn't just stick Post-its anywhere. You like made an art.
I told the fans. There's a big giveaway for whoever guesses how many Post-it notes we used, or I used.
Did you count or do I have to count?
We have to count while we take them off.
Oh.
Well, we found another use for Cassie's absurd amount of school supplies. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you leave a comment and a thumbs up with your guesses. You're not mad?
I'm not mad.
And you'll even help me clean them up?
I'll even help you clean them up.
Yes.
That's love, guys.
That's love. We're gonna count them so we know exactly how many sticky notes were used. We give Instagram shoutouts every single video. Here's one.
Here's the other.
Thank you for following us on Instagram.
And if you have any ideas about how I can get Josh back, send me a DM on Instagram.
Well, you don't have to.
Yeah, do it.
We've got videos every Monday, Wednesdays, Saturdays. Make sure you subscribe. Every single Wednesday we break or set a world record for World Record Wednesdays, and season 2 of World Record Wednesdays is coming soon, so make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that bell so you get notified when we post.
Let's go to the beach.
All right, one last look before they go in the recycling bin. We just counted every single one of these, pulled it off the car. Good luck.
So, are there groceries or?